Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a different monthly planning video. Basically, I'm trying to reset. I flew to Florida a few weeks ago and it's just been very chaotic. I had COVID when I landed. Pretty sure I got out at the airport. I was out for like a week, and then right after that, thank goodness, I was getting better because I had to drive down to Orlando to film a real estate convention with Shamey. And then coming back, we also filmed a little production thing. That was very fun. I actually worked like with the whole production team. I'll pop a cool photo just to kind of showcase that. So I did behind the scenes and then I took photos of like behind the scenes for that. I still have to edit all that, but I've been trying to film a lot of videos as well with my friend who lives here in Jacksonville, Florida. She's also a YouTuber. So I'm just trying to balance everything. Next month is gonna be such a busy month, especially at the beginning of the month because I fly out of the country. I feel like today should be a reset day, planning as well. In a little bit, I'll probably share my screen. I have to knock out some work first for my full-time job. Oh yeah, also I work a full-time job. So luckily I can work remote. I got 3 screens. That's how many screens I need for my full-time job. It's just too much. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And then I have some personal things to like photos to edit that I need to catch up on. And then also YouTube stuff. I think and also I wanna kind of clean up. So the other day, there's a huge box back there. That's a wine fridge. So Shamey and I decided we were gonna buy a new dishwasher because we have not used the dishwasher since we moved into this place, and that was like 6 years ago. So we decided, oh, let's do a wine fridge instead. So we went to pick it up, came back. We can turn off our water in our unit, but it didn't completely turn off. Well, so basically we have to call the condo people here and then get permission for them to turn off our whole building water. And we have to get someone to come out because whatever, like to turn off the dishwasher is broken basically, but we don't need it. So we need someone to replace it and then also like to just be able to turn it off because we won't need it for the wine fridge. But I'm so excited we get a wine fridge. You know me and my wine. That's kind of been what's going on, and then kind of just catching up on sleep. I know yesterday after work, I laid on the couch and passed out for like 5 hours. I'm tired. Just trying to get my life together, especially for all the things coming up, but I'll kind of dive into those things a little bit later in this video as we do our monthly planning. But welcome to today's video. If you don't know, my name is Jennifer. What do I do? Currently, I work a full-time job at an engineering firm. I am a CAD drafter / designer. I'm also a Nesta certified fitness trainer. So on my YouTube channel, I have a lot of free workout challenges, recipes, all that. Kind of realistic fitness tips because I'm just your realistic girl, let's just say that. And then also I run a fitness apparel brand. I don't know if I need to do a catch-up story on that as well. I know currently right now I had to shut down the store just because I'm here in Florida and no one could help me pack the orders in Chicago while I'm here. Exciting news, we're gonna do a huge, I'm telling you, it's like gonna be a pre-Black Friday sale because I'm pretty sure I'll be here in Florida during Black Friday. So I wanted to kind of prep for that sale. There's a lot of things happening, so things are brewing, let's just say that. Enough chit chat. I'm going to work and then in a little bit I'm gonna start cleaning up the condo because my friend Caitlin's coming over later and we're gonna walk the trails to get a workout in. I feel like I haven't really worked out since I've been here. I've only been bouldering a few times and that's just been my workout. Slacking on the workouts, but I feel like a walk will be a good introduction getting back into a little routine. Let's get going. I have my espresso over ice because your girl needs the caffeine. Ta-ta for now. Gotta get to work and I will see you guys later. Okay, I just kind of cleaned up. It's so hard because Shamie has all this camera gear and like little gadgets that it's hard to clean those up. So I always have to just put his stuff like on a shelf over there. I think for the most part, I kind of cleaned up, especially like my mess. I always feel bad because I'm working from home all day and he's in and out shooting like jobs and stuff. We are going to start it's September 20th and I didn't film my September goal planner, but we have 2 weeks left and I still have things to do. So we're gonna do that. So I am recording right now and this is my monthly goal planner template. So I have like my October and like November and then December. I want the rest of this year to be very good with the planning. Right now we are on September. So I have a template of this on my website at fitbyjennifer.com. I have a monthly reflection. I was gonna do one for August, but to summarize August, I posted a YouTube video every single day the month of August. Well, I uploaded 30 in a row. I think that was mainly August anyways, so I don't think there was really much going on. So we're gonna start with September. Oh, someone's home. Shamie's home. Say hi to the vlog.
Huh?
Say hi to the vlog.
Hello, vlog.
I kind of cleaned up. How was it? I just cleaned up a bit.
Looks great.
Oh, yay, he approved. Okay, so September, we have 2 weeks left and we will be semi-planning because I don't want to spoil a lot of things. So with 2 weeks left, I wanted to create, film, edit 4 more YouTube videos. I think I've been doing like 2 per week the month of September, which I wanted to do more, but like I said, I was sick and we've been busy basically. Shamie just got done filming, was it Leslie's listing? Yeah. So Leslie, the girl that's been in my previous videos, she's a real estate agent here in Jacksonville and Shamie films her listing videos. So anyways, okay, back to this. 4 YouTube videos. We film for 30th. Me and Shamie film a wedding in Chicago the last day of September. I'm also gonna put October 1st. Oh, Shamie got his little tattoo. What did you get done? It's shaded. Do you wanna show the YouTube fam? Is it a koi fish?
It's a koi.
A koi.
I'm a koi boy.
He's a koi boy.
My neck.
Your neck? Wow, he got a cross on his neck. Show the camera.
Do you see it? Can you see it? It's on the other side. I can't see.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know if you can see it.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna fall. This is so chaotic. Okay, back to the monthly planning. October 1st, we fly out of the country. I'm not gonna say where though, because that's gonna be a surprise. Fly out country. Did I spell country right? Okay, we're just gonna go with that. I also have to edit BTS production. What is this? Oh, that's cool.
It's just the water.
Oh, that's cool. I helped Shamie film. I don't even know what to call it. It was basically filming with a production team though, and I shot behind the scene video and photos, so I have to finish editing that. And then I also have to finish editing photos of an influencer. I did half of them, but I need to finish the rest of them. So that is also on the to-do list. Do we have anything else? The rest of, oh wow, it's a fish. Oh, that's cool. I like it.
I might get some finger tats.
Oh my gosh. Get your boy, guys. He's on getting tattoos.
Be like a bad boy. I ain't it. You know what I'm saying? I'm a good boy. I'm a good boy and I'm good with parents.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'll be filming a bouldering spot here in Jax while Shamie films a baby shower. Was it? Yeah. Okay, honestly, I think that is just, oh my God. I only got 2 weeks. We fly back to Chicago September 27th. So I'll only have like 2 days working at my full-time job. And then that Saturday we film the wedding. And then the next day we fly out of the country. So many things happening. Okay, I'm not gonna go too much into detail with the rest of this. I'll do it, but you don't have to, it's gonna be too much thinking. Okay, that concludes this portion of planning the rest of September. Oh God, okay. I'll talk to you when Caitlin shows up. So she's about to be on her way over and then we're gonna walk the trails and get a little workout in and then catch up because I haven't seen her in months. So, okay, ta-ta for now. Bye.